Most people come into the OnlyFans business thinking it's gonna be the easiest check they ever get. There are still fundamental business skills that you need to make sure that you not only become profitable, but you stay profitable month over month. In this video, I'm gonna give you 3 tips on how to break out of your current plateau and achieve that coveted top 1%. So let's get into it. My name is Luca Gray. I'm one of the founders of Secret Management. We're one of the fastest growing OnlyFans creator firms in 2025. We've taken creators all the way from zero up to as much as 20K in their first month. Like this creator right here. He had no OF account, no experience, and these were his results after 1 month of working with us. Or this guy right here, same story, no accounts. He did know a little bit about how to make content and put himself in front of the camera, but the real separator here was the commitment. These people went all in and that's why they had success. Disclaimer, I'm not saying that this can happen for you unless you have all the variables that these people did, but in this video, I'm gonna be giving you the cheat sheet to understanding one of the most important topics in this business, which is understanding the different types of fans. So let's get right into the video. To set the stage here, I wanna talk about a principle that works in every single walk of life. 80% of the results come from 20% of the actions. 80% of the world's money is in the hands of 20% of the population. And 80% of your money on OnlyFans will come from 20% of your fans. We call these people whales. And it's your job as a creator to find out who is already a whale, who could become a whale, and not waste time on anybody else. Because there are a lot of tire kickers in this industry, and you really only need a handful of whales to cover your bills and then some. So let's get into the next point. So in the OnlyFans ocean, there is more than just whales. There's tire kickers, there's freeloaders, there's people who will just buy one PPV and disappear for a while. Like I said, this is your job to isolate and figure out who is the one who's going to be spending the most money and really cultivate and really give those people a reason to stay. If you've hit a plateau with your OnlyFans and you really don't know how to get to the next step, we can help you guys. We do free audits of your traffic sources and your OnlyFans page to figure out the bottleneck and get you on to your next milestone. It's totally free. So if you want to book a call with me and my team, go to the link in the description and we'll see if we have space for you. Let's get on to the next point. In today's day and age, everything is free. You can have free music, you can have free movies, and of course you can have free corn. So why would somebody go to your OnlyFans when they could go to a website for free? The answer here is intimacy. Not everybody is looking for a quick one and done, especially whales. They want the fantasy, they want romance, they want you to listen to them and make them feel important. And this is something that they can't get from one of those free websites. Giving them gifts, giving them voice messages, good morning messages, giving them free content once in a while to let them know that they're appreciated. And this is done through proper customer care and making sure these people want to come back and talk to you every single day and not go to your competitor, which is a free website. So those are the 3 tips on the different types of fans that you will encounter on OnlyFans. The last thing I want to say is the better you know your customer, the more money you're going to make. If I didn't discuss the current problem that you're having in this video, let me know in the comments and I'll make a future video solving your issue. My goal with this is to make sure that this opportunity is not wasted and the people that are giving it a proper shot and are committed are making the type of money that they deserve. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.